Okay, so I did a test in my FridgeSmart. I put this bought these peppers on May 1st. Today is June 1st, and the pepper on the right was just placed in my refrigerator, and the one on the left was placed in FridgeSmart. So as you can see, the one in the refrigerator is really kind of plushy, and I don't think I would want to eat this at all. Okay, and then this one is nice and firm still, looking good. I would have no trouble cutting this up and eating it. This is a great pepper still, over a month old from when I bought it. So this one I probably would have thrown away at least a week, 2 weeks ago without using it. So yeah, saving money by keeping fresh longer.